Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix show activity status Instagram not showing, which means if activity status not showing on Instagram, then how you can fix that. For this, first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open this Instagram, and after opening the Instagram, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile here. After opening click on the profile, you have to simply click on the three lines, and if you click on your activity, as you can see, it is already changed and there are already more options, and you do not find any option related to activity status. Then how you can do that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram. So you have to simply search on Play Store and you have to make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram. After updating your Instagram account, you have to simply click on the profile. After that, you have to click on three lines, and in three lines you have to click on settings, and after that you have to scroll down and you have to click on privacy. And if you scroll down, then here you can see the option of activity status, and here you can find show activity status option, and in this way you can simply turn on or turn off your activity status on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.